Hello students, in this video I am going to discuss a very interesting problem from the topic definite integration. The question is, if integral of 0 to pi by 2 cos x whole raised to root 2 plus 1 dx divided by 0 to pi by 2 cos x whole raised to root 2 minus 1 dx is equal to n minus root n, where n belongs to natural number, what we need to find? We need to find the value of n. This is a very important problem. Now I am going to give approach how to solve these type of problem. Now what is given? It is given that integral 0 to pi by 2 cos x whole raised to root 2 plus 1 dx divided by 0 to pi by 2 cos x whole raised to root 2 minus 1 dx is equal to n minus root n. Let the numerator term, this is equal to I1 and denominator is equal to I2, this denominator. Now can we write this I1 as, we can write this I1 as 0 to pi by 2 integral cos x whole raised to root 2 into cos x dx. This is simply use the concept a raised to m plus 1 n is equal to a raised to m into a raised to n. Now I am going to use integration by part concept to solve this I1. We know that integral of u into v dx is equal to u into integral of v dx minus du by dx into v dx whole dx. Now take this function as u and this function as v. Now using integration by part, what we find? We find this I1 as, we find this as integral of u into v dx. What we have assumed, this cos x whole raised to root 2 is u, and what about this cos x as v? So integral u into v dx, integral u into v dx is cos x u, this is u and this is v dx minus d by dx of u into v dx whole dx. Now simply putting the values of integral cos x dx and d by dx of root cos x raised to root 2, what we find? We find this as, this is cos x whole raised to root 2 into sin x, limit is from 0 to pi by 2. And what about this? By using the concept of chain rule, this from 0 to pi by 2 under root 2 cos x whole raised to root 2 minus 1 and d by dx of cos x minus sin x into sin x dx. Now putting the upper limit and lower limit, what we find, cos pi by 2 is 0 and sin 0 is 0. So this I1 is, this is 0, and what about this? This minus and minus will get plus. Root 2 take outside the sign of integration. This is 0 to pi by 2 cos x whole raised to root 2 minus 1, and this is sin x into sin x is sin square x dx. Now simply calculating the value of sin square x. What is sin square x? Putting the value, it is 1 minus cos square x. So I1 is equal to root 2 integration limited from 0 to pi by 2 cos x whole raised to root 2 minus 1, and sin square x is nothing but 1 minus cos square x dx. Now splitting the integral, what we find? We find this as simply multiplying cos x root 2 minus 1 to this one and this cos square x. So cos x into root 2 minus 1 dx, and this is root 2 cos x root 2 plus 1 dx, because root 2 minus 1 plus 2 is root 2 plus 1. Now what about this cos x into, this is nothing but this is I2 and this is what I1, from above assumption that we have assumed here. This is our I1 and this is our I2. Now simply putting the values, what we find? We find this I1 is equal to root 2 I2 minus root 2 I1. So what about I1 by I2? I1 by I2 is equal to, this is equal to root 2 upon root 2 plus 1, and simply finally rationalizing term, what we find? We find this as root 2 into root 2 minus 1. So this is equal to 2 minus root 2. Comparing this to n minus root n. So what is n? N is equal to 2. This is a very tricky problem. So hope you understand the solution of problem and also understand how to apply integration by part here. So this problem is mainly based on concept of integration by part. So hope you understand this problem, and thank you and see you in next video.